Hey guys, welcome to Transwest Truck Trailer RV, located out of here in Belton, Missouri. Today I got the privilege of showing you this beautiful 2024 Dutch Star. It is a 4369 Newmar's #1 selling floor plan, actually one of the top selling floor plans in the nation, in the whole Northern America. But I want to talk to you a little bit. This is built on the Freightliner chassis. So one of the things I want to point out is some of the neat features that they got here are these really nice oversized monitors, the smart wheel functions. You do have a digital dash. You do got wireless phone charging here that you can put for the driver. You got wireless phone charging here for the passenger. And when you look at the seats here, I like how they actually turn around and they face the living space. And you'll notice just how plush they are. You've got the seat belts integrated here on the seats, so as you're turning them, they're not getting wrapped up and tangled, so it just makes it easier, more practical for everyday use. But and both of these are going to be recliners, so you do have the ability to recline, kick back, relax. Now, one of my favorite floor plans, because sometimes you will see some of these motorhomes with entertainment theater seating with a dinette across from it. I prefer the two opposing furniture. So when you look at this, you've got seating for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 people here pretty comfortably. And everybody is sitting, being able to face my guests. So just a really nice setup. Gives you a nice separation of space from the kitchen and the living room. Now, it does come with the booth dinette, and one of the nice features about this booth dinette is with all those guests, you can extend this out, and then I do like this little support they put down here. So as you can see, it eliminates that trampoline effect, gives it a nice solid sturdy table here for guests. It does come with some additional chairs here to fit around both sides of the table. Now that's held magnetically, so pretty hands-free, pretty easy to use. Now across from us, beautiful kitchen. Now when we look at the cabinetry, this is your glacier glazed. I think this is going to be your high gloss. You'll notice no hardware here on the outside, so all hidden hinges, all beautifully done. Custom made by Newmar, Mennonite craftsmanship. And then I love this utensil drawer. This is just something very common in the Newmar. You got your televator there. Let's go ahead and bring that down real quick, so we can kind of show you. It does have the. Let me get my eyeballs here, and we'll go and get your day shades up. So now, as you'll see, the kitchen does have a kitchen window, and as we pan around, you're going to see you got beautiful views. Pretty much anywhere you sit, everybody has a view, and all the windows open. So the dinette windows, the entertainment theater seating. So if you really want to open this up and get some nice cross ventilation, you can do that. This does come with the day and night shades. So we'll go ahead and just hit the all button at the end of the day. Maybe even tooling around in the desert in your side-by-side, you want to call it a day, you can do each blind individually or hit one button and bring down all the night shades. So very convenient. I do like this little extension that comes out, so it gives you that additional counter space. And then now most people who know Newmar know that you have your integrated cutting boards in here. And this is going to be for the people who are not too familiar with the Dutch Star, but what they have done is they have this integrated cooktop here, which you can take out, put it out on the cooktop table. That's going to be induction, so this does not heat up, only the pan heats up. So very safe. Put it out there on a picnic table. If you're going to cook fish, the bacon, keep the smoke, the smell outside. Great option. And then you can just put it back in here on the counter, and you're done. So I love the stainless here. right? But I like how they got that smoked look. It's just not that bright, shiny stainless. So, and I like this divider too. You'll notice how they dropped it down. So when you do get some of them more rectangular objects, you can get it down in the sink. You don't have to wash it outside the sink. Got your gooseneck faucet and really nice built-ins that Newmar does here. I love all this attention to detail. Got a place for your garbage can. Nice little slider drawers. Great craftsmanship. Now on the other end here, we got a Whirlpool refrigerator. Now if you are a RV owner already, and you may have experienced this, if you don't have a lock on this and you take a sharp left, your doors might fly open. There is a lock down here, so that locks your freezer and your refrigerator. So just slide that opens it up. You've got an air filter in here to keep things fresh with a water filter. Coach does come with a water filter on the outside too, so you know when the water starts coming out of the door, it's really clean. You do have a nice control central. Very nice for Newmar to come in here, check your tank levels, battery levels, control your lights, your automatic gen start, so you can program this coach to start up if your batteries get too low. It does come with heated tile floors. You know what, let's take a look at the floors. If you look at this, you got that nice kind of a barn style floor. It's like a matte finish, beautifully done. This style of floor used to be only available in a King Air, but it's nice to see that they're putting them in our Dutch Star models now. Just absolutely gorgeous. Comes with central vac. One of my favorite parts too, as far as pantry, is what they got going on here. You'll notice as I opened it, it lights up, and these also come with a lock. Very long, but if you listen to this, there's a locking mechanism. You have to push on it to release the latch, and then you push back on it to lock it. So very convenient, all adjustable. So if you get some taller items, maybe some cereal boxes, you can adjust these to the height that you want. Now this is going to be a bath and a half model. Again, Newmar's #1 floor plan. Beautiful half bath. I like that subway tile they got over there. The backsplash runs all the way up to the underneath of the cabinet. They don't just run it up 2 or 3 inches. So just a gorgeous half bathroom. Now you'll notice as we get ready to come into the master bedroom how wide this opening is. I just love this floor plan because as people are walking by each other, typically these hallways are the doors are usually about 2 foot 6 inches. So this is a nice big wide open door. If you want partial privacy, you can close off a section of this with a single panel door, or we can take it another step and close it off completely. So nice to have those options. Now as we get ready to come into the master bedroom, I want to point out one of the nice features of this is that you'll notice the floor, there's no carpet on it. So this is part of that more floor, no carpet. And you'll notice as I'm standing here with my foot completely flush. So it's nice not to have that offset, to have that really nice flush floor. Got some nice closets here for hanging space. Lights up quite nicely, and you can see we got it on both sides. Some really nice drawers down here. And everything that I've been opening and closing, you'll notice, is all soft close. Beautiful king bed. Now this is going to be programmable like your sleep numbers, where you can control your firmness and your softness. Should have some storage here underneath. Some nice fill. You got your table extensions down there, your chairs to go around the dinette. Now this is going to be all newly done, custom cabinetry, trim, so all the newer finishes. You've got your overhead cabinetry, and now Newmar did put an outlet up here. So you can see we do have an outlet, and we do have some knockouts on both ends. Windows on both sides that open up. So just absolutely beautiful. And if we stand back and look at the ceiling, this is one of the things that I can appreciate with Newmar. You'll notice all the ventilation is just right down the middle. You don't see any of the pucks or the big rectangular registers going down the sides. They do that so when the slides are closed, you can maintain your ventilation as you're going down the road, and it helps keep the coach cool so you're just not trapping that cold air on top of your slides. Now as we come into the master bathroom, again, what makes Newmar really set apart is this rear bathroom. You notice the cathedral style ceiling, nice big open ceiling here. For all of you taller folks, when you get into this massive shower, one of the biggest showers in the RV industry, we'll go ahead and lift that up. Now I'm 6 foot, maybe 6'1" with my shoes. You can see just how tall this is. So a lot of height. You do have an additional wand here. So if you need that extra height, you need to get there, you got it. You got a teak seat here that can support up to 250 pounds. Got a nice little grab handle for guys like me. You might need that extra little help. Always nice to have. So, and then on the other side here, you're gonna notice we have the dual vanity, dual medicine cabinet. I like the fact they put a little outlet in here, but you know, you're not gonna be hurting for storage. As you can see, you've got plenty of drawers down here, lots and lots and lots of storage. Again, all soft closing, nice big storage on both sides. And then in the rear here, we do have a nice rear closet. And you'll notice the shoe garage that we got over here. You got adjustable shelves and they are removable. So if you'd rather have the hanging space, you can have it. You got shelving over here off to your left, which you can access it from inside the closet or from outside. So you can access that from multiple directions. Now, what Newmar is also famous for is their exit door. So we'll give you a peek at this real quick. Very nice. You have a extended ladder there. You open up that little panel at the bottom of the door. We'll go ahead and peel this off so you can see what that looks like. You can see a collapsible ladder there. It just drops down, so if in case of emergency you need to get out, it's better than trying to break out of a window. So, but it's also nice and convenient. So if you guys are getting ready for a trip, maybe you can handle a lot of your toiletries, linens, other things that that you need before you head out on your trip. I'll go ahead and put this back. All right, so just before we step out of the bathroom, you notice we got our Stack Splendid washer and dryer. Love the location. So out of the dryer, onto the bed, into the drawer. So it just doesn't get any more convenient than that. So guys, this is a super quick peek of the Dutch Star. Katie's going to take you for a little quick trip on the outside so you can see our cargo area. And if you guys have any questions or if you're interested in this coach, please give me a call. Again, Lance here at Transwest. You can catch me at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you. All right, guys. Well, that did it for the inside. She's going to give you a quick tour here of the outside. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to go a little bit more in depth, maybe set up a time for a FaceTime video, give me a call. Love to work with you.